Hello. Let's see, we have the new art rings. I need to download it. Hello, I see. I think we need to just move some things from this to another layer. The things that are actually on the ground, like the carpets, mostly. It's just like the carpets and this. But let's see first of all, in game, I'm going to run this with the editor. I think I need to change the geometry once again, because Rings has moved some stuff around. Yes, the stuff has been moved for sure. So I'm gonna need to redo some things. Do a lot of things probably. Not sure how much. Let me see. Let me start with this room, I guess. What is this thing? This looks like a poof or something. So the collision should be like this, I'm guessing. What is this? A robot vacuum cleaner, maybe? There was something here. Something is not there anymore. This does not belong here too. Instead we have this thing, which is like that, I'm assuming. Alright, and then for this one, we have it like this probably. Right, let's move to the streaming room. It Can I see the poster? The poster of getting Corridon? Alright, I can. Nice. Start over here. Jackie Chan statue. Okay. I cannot fit into the under the table, right? Yeah, and I should not be able to. Just close it off like that. Alright. What is this? Like a chair? Okay, Coots is now not really visible over here. Where should we actually put Coots here? Like, in this position, probably? Because behind this spot, it's not so really easy to see. What about this, by the way? For example, should Coots be here? Or should it be here? Maybe to make it a little further away. Makes me also think that this position should be changed. Oh, this lamp is evil actually, because I was always going over here to the right, but now this lamp is in the way, lol. Why is there a random lamp in the middle of the kitchen? I mean, okay, that's cool. It's actually good. Hello, Davey. How's it going? How's your game working? Is it working yet? It's 2 days left, you know. Better be working already. Right? Oh wait. I can barely fit through this. Okay, well, it is still possible. If you don't fit through, you're going to be bounced away. What about this room? Wait, how about we actually allow the player to go in between the table? It's a good idea. Let me try. What if I do this? It's going to be possible for me to go actually underneath the table. Might not be the best idea, but why not? Right? Okay, this is this looks like something that cat eats from, right? So the collision should be for, like, it's something that's on the carpet here, right? This should be the collision, not the carpet itself. I'm guessing. Hope I'm guessing correctly. Cat food. This thing too. Right, good. One, two, three, 4 locations on that side. Let's do this room. Let me put the cat behind this table actually. Right. Next room. Win money. Hello there. Hello guys. I don't think I know you. How are you doing? What were you doing on your stream? We're working on the Ludwig Jam. On a game for a game jam. Did you work on a Ludwig game jam yourself by any chance? So we have the new graphics. This is going to be colored too, but right now it's just all brown. It will be colored later, I'm guessing. But this is the new graphics that we have, and I'm just doing the collisions for the player. It's a little racing game that I'm making here. Just exploring some new game tab in Unity. Nice. I never tried Unity, but I'm doing my own custom engine. That's why. The table. This one. And the chairs. These ones. Let's start from the entrance. Yeah, these carpets, they need to go in a separate layer. Hopefully it's not hard for Rings to do it. Let me actually ask. Can we move carpets on a separate layer? And other things that are on the ground and to be drawn behind the layer. Yeah, the game is going on pretty nicely. This is the gen that we're participating in. There is a prize pool, and Ludwig is the streamer, if you don't know. A pretty big streamer on YouTube. The game is about Hoots. Hoots is his cat. The current state of the game, if you're interested also, is this. This has the old graphics right now here, but this game has multiplayer and stuff. So you see those little crabs? Those are like fake multiplayer people. These are bots, but actual multiplayer is also supported here. So you just race to the cat over here, and you need to be like qualified. And every round we eliminate more and more people, like in other games, like in Fall Guys, for example. And eventually there's going to be just one winner, and then the whole game restarts, and there is a new session. And that's the entire game. Yes, it's looking good, yeah. There is, let me show you one of my favorite things. What is the favorite thing? So basically, Rink's, you were not watching Rink's stream, did you, Brainoid? But apparently, a lot of Rink's viewers are Ludwig's fans, so they gave a lot of ideas about what to add. For example, this emote lurking from underneath the bed, and also some other stuff. I love YouTube over here. The Jackie Chan statue. Is this the Pepe statue? I think it is. What else is here? All right, so those little posters on the wall. I'm not sure which one is the first one. Super Smash Brothers. Pogo stop jumping and getting farted on. Yeah. The chest and the boxing gloves. This is going to be colored, so it's more obvious that it's the boxing gloves, because Ludwig did the chest. What was it called? Like the contest where they did both chess and boxing. Maybe something else too. Chess and boxing thing, yeah. Alright, I'm just ring smoothed a little bit the stuff, so I'm going to regenerate the level data. I was playing the game myself a little bit yesterday after the stream, so we have quite a few bot data, but we're going to delete it and redo it from scratch again, because this has been moved. But it's no problem. I actually like playing the game. Although I did give it to test to my wife, and the controls are not very like beginner gamer friendly, I guess, because she tried like pressing left to move left, but pressing left does not make you move left. It makes you rotate, and it was very hard because of that, I guess. Wait, should those little things, the sleepers, be colliding or not? What do you think? No? Just go on top of them? Because I think we can go in between those things, right? Yeah, we can go in between those things. Alright, we just go on top. Does that mean that these should not be should not have collisions to them too? These, because they look the same. I think we should just move this, because it looks like you are going to be colliding with it, to be honest. Do you agree? I think like this should be should have collision to them. And those should have collision, but because I want the player to be able to move there, I just think that this should be moved a little bit. Is that right? We can also move this lamp and these things a little bit. And move it by the plant. Yeah, like move it by the plant, for example, over here. And also, we can make this shortcut, if this is even a shortcut. This might be a shortcut if we are going from here to over here. Right? So instead of going around this... but if we're actually like trying to do the level design, like I would also maybe move these boxes a little bit to the left. Do you agree? So that we can go on this side too. I mean, it doesn't really matter much though. I don't think it changes much. Can we go in between over here? Yes, we can, but it's pretty hard. Okay, what else would I change potentially? I think it's not hard for rings to move it anyway, right? So, if it's not hard, then we should probably do that. I also did it so that we can go underneath the table. Not sure if that's going to be used, but you can. I think this area is good. This area is also pretty good. I think I moved the cat from this position to over there, so it's a little further behind the chair. This is good. Although I did move Boots a little bit here too, because he was hidden behind the plant, the other room. The addition of this lamp makes it like very risky to go from here to the right side. Does that mean that we should like make this risky thing like more rewarding? So like move the cat closer to this position than to the other way? Okay. Do you agree? Do I just move it a little bit? Okay, so move this, for example, just a little bit higher up so that we can go in between the wall and move these boxes. A little bit to the left. And move this thing. I think those are all the changes that I wanted. Right? Let me just highlight the areas that I changed. Um, uh, couldn't cut Slipper's clean. I mean, Rinks is going to probably like because she has everything on its own layer, maybe inside Photoshop. I don't know. I'm just like showing where I moved stuff. This is all I moved, right? Yeah, I think this is all I moved. Also, I moved 3 things like that to allow for more. Okay. Yeah, so this sliver is actually going to have the collision to it. Just going to be different. And now we can go in between over here. This needs to be moved up now. And we will be able to go in between this lamp over here. If we wanted to. And the last thing is these boxes. So now it's possible for us to go on this. Yeah, I think I like it. Did I move all the goods positions? I think all the goods positions should be good. Can we go like in the actual like corner? No, we cannot go there. We can just close it off just to prevent some weird bugs. Probably same over here. Actually, I can go. All right. And then in terms of like removing carpets into its own layer. Going to do a very rough work on it. Can I add to the collection? Cannot. Create new. Okay, more carpets over here, and also not only the carpet, like this cable too, right? We're going on top of the cable. Did you talk about the car issue? Um, with rings? No. With you? No. With myself? Maybe. But yeah, do you really want us to have the car? I mean, honestly, I like the car because it makes more sense a little bit, right? Actually, the current car that we have, I kind of like it, but it is flat, obviously. It can be toast bread. Wait, is Toast part of the Ludwig's like team? This guy's Toast? Do you know this guy's Toast? Are we all going to ride this guy's Toast? I don't think they're part of the same, like, I have no idea about Ludwig. Hold on. Ludwig Toast. You know no Toast? This guy's Toast is, alright, this guy's Toast, Canadian YouTuber. This guy, the Toast. Also a big streamer. Very popular for the Among Us. Like, the biggest Among Us guy, streamer and YouTuber. So yeah, I guess you were not talking about Toast then, but about Toast instead. The actual toast, not the toast that is toast, but like the regular toast. Um, I'm wondering though if toast. I think toast is like OTV or OTK. I don't know. What is this thing? Offline TV Friends. This is like the organization. What organization is? Uh, Ludwig OTV. If we're just talking about flat objects, then yeah, OTV. Yes. So then it means that both Toast and Ludwig are OTV, right? So they are in the same organization, technically, whatever that means, right? No, Lud is not in OTV. All right. Ludwig has his own organization then. By the way, this guy's Toast is the guy who actually won the boxing chess tournament, I think. This guy's Toast boxing chess. Yes, chess boxing champion is this guy's Toast. And the tournament was hosted by Ludwig. We hang out with a lot of I mean, yeah, all the streamers hang out with each other. Yes. Anyway, what kind of object are we going to be riding? If it's not the car, if it's not an abstract arrow, then what it is? Also, let me continue with moving some stuff to the background. So I'm guessing that this should be the background. And this cable too, because cables belong to the ground. Also, this is okay. This is a carpet with two balls on it, right? Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Right. Anything that's left? I think this is also left. Okay, yeah, I think it looks good. I think this looks good. Yeah. Okay. By running this thing. Wait, what? Why am I behind? Oh wait, this is the carpet that I didn't move, right? Yeah, this is the carpet that I did not move to the under layer. How about now? Yeah, like this. Kind of. Okay, we can go on this side, we can go over here. We can go over here and over here. Yeah, I think it's all good now. I think I pushed this, and hopefully we don't get change geometry again. Hopefully. Okay. Update level. Push. And then let me also stop and remove the bot data because we need to do the bot data from scratch now. Okay, okay. Um, Now what is the thing that we need to do? Training time? Yeah, like I said, I was training bots for like 2 hours, I think, yesterday. But now we delete it all and need to do it scratch. It's fine though. So, um, if you're going to be training bots though, that's okay. How about we also figure out what we need to do? What do I need to do here? Proper ending and proper beginning mostly, right? Uh, Settings menu, names, profanity filter. Uh, Suasuna. Hello. Hello there. We're working on a game here for Game Jam. Doing pretty good. It's like 2 days that are left for the jam to end. 2 days, 12 hours is what we have left. Trying to figure out what I need to do here. I'm probably going to just work on this settings menu right now. So, and also I think we should spawn inside the settings, to be honest. Inside the settings, so that you can set your name, you can set your skin, you can do the controls, you can press play, and you have instructions here too. Is it going to be like too much? Let me see. Or do I do a separate setting screen and like the main menu screen? What do you think, Brainoid? I kind of want to make them like the same. Let me see. What do we need to have? Everything is too big in settings right now. Yeah, if we just make them it's smaller, it's going to be fine, right? So what should we have? We say like the title of the game, obviously, right? Do you work as a game developer or just do it in spare time? Well, I do some job where that is similar to game development, but not exactly. The actual game dev is my hobby mostly. Coots, and Furious, or Coots Buds, or like other name that we need to figure out the name of the game actually, right? Then underneath, I want you to have the instructions for the game. The instructions of the game. Ludwig is always saying something like, "Boys, the plan is simple." If I try googling this, yeah, see, if I just Google "boys, the plan is simple," I just get the video of Ludwig. So that's how I want to start the explanation of what the game is about.
Today, the plan is simple. Boys! Oh my god,
Boys, the game is simple.
Holy shit!
We can do the game is simple, but the plan is simple is like more obvious.
Plan is simple! Does that ring a bell?
Anyway, let me see. Uh, boys. Boys. We can do the game. Yeah, we can do. If we include boys, then yes. The game is simple, right? Then we do some instructions here, like you go to Coots, and then like every round we get eliminated, right? And then we reserve like I don't know how much text is actually going to be here. Let me see. What actual text do we do we put into this thing? The game is simple. Um, um, the game is simple. What do we even write here? The actual text was like obvious. Go to Coots. Go to Coots. Is that all I say? Go to Coots. Ah, shit. Coming up with words is hard. Go to Coots. Use arrow keys. Navigate. Use arrow keys. Go to Coots. Faster. For one else. Or else you get eliminated. Just like this. This is all the instructions. Something like this. All right. So then, what is the settings that we need to do? We have the volume control, which is a slider, and we have the music, which is a checkbox. We have the skin, which has two arrows to the left and to the right. This is skin, and then there is the name. We can like instead of putting this vertically, we can put the skin and the name next to each other, the volume and the music checkbox next to each other, right? I guess there should also like be a checkbox like to show names, just in case. Anything else we need to do? Actual button to play the game. We can do instructions over here on the left. I think instructions over here on the left, and then on the right over here we have the play button. Does this work? Anything else I need to do? Does it still add you in the next game when you are in settings? Right now, yes, but we can like tell the server that we are not in the game yet. Because like for example, currently you can go into settings while playing the game, right? But I guess we can make it so that you don't actually play the game until you hit the play for the first time at least, or something. So that the server is aware when the new game starts, whether you are in settings or not, right? Anything else I need to add to this menu? I don't think so, right? I think this should be enough. It's not qualifying you. I mean, I stopped the server. There's a new build that needs to be coming, no? Kuviman, Ludwig Jam. It is there. Let me see. Maybe we crashed. Well, I see how that you have connected. It says loading the game for the first time, which means that you have not loaded this yet, right? Yeah. Okay, it did not qualify you, but did it spawn you? I was qualified. Loaded right before it got online. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Also, I'm pretty sure that you have the name, right? You are named, but I don't see your name. Because I'm only going to see it when you actually change it to something. That's a bug that I need to fix, I think. Um, is it? Yeah, I think it is. Because, name... Yeah, I'm only sending this over here, but I want to also do it over here. Like when you first load, I want you to tell the server your actual name. Tell server your name on... I'm going to be working on the menu. And yeah, I like you starting in the menu immediately. So in settings, true. Ding, 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 ding. All right. We have volume settings, which is going to have I'm going to need to create some more textures here. Guessing for the UI, need a checkbox. Checkbox off, which is going to be just something like this. Then we do checkbox on, which is going to have the checkbox checked, right? I think that's all we need. UI. Yeah. Oh, also the boss spectators and players left. We have the icons for them that we're not using. Checkbox on. Checkbox off. So volume settings is going to be first the this. Then the slider, and then it's going to be music. Music is something that I also need to add. Music. Right. After the music, we have the checkbox. 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 Self music muted. Uh, I'm gonna do them not the music muted, but music on because it's a boolean. I want it to be true when the checkbox is checked, right? Music on. Not music muted. Music on. On. By default, it's true, by the way. So if not, else. So if we want to stop the music, then we're stopping it. If self music on is not equal to music some says save music on. All right, let me make sure that I can do checkboxes. So what is a checkbox? Checkbox, the function. Value is enable reference to boolean. And it's going to return texture button new. If true, then checkbox on. Otherwise, checkbox off. If button was clicked, value is not value. Okay. What now? Now I want skin settings. And player name. Player name is not being drawn here even. If we want like actually editing the name, then we should be able to click on the name, right? So it also needs to be like a button. Shit. Let me check if the mute music button works. So now we load directly into the settings, right? We have the volume control, and we have the music checkbox, right? Should they be like different colors so it's obvious that you can interact? Because like this looks like an icon and this looks like an icon, the checkbox itself. It should be more obvious that this is like interactable and this is just like a text, right? And like this is a button also. Should they have like different colors or something? Right. Then the play button should also actually... The play button should also probably be drawn. Probably will make a Rinx draw it. Play. Play. Going to be something like... Going to be something like... Doo -doo -doo. Play. I don't know what it's going to be looking like later. I think that's good enough for now, so... Play button. New texture button, new play. So we have 3 columns: the name of the player, then the skin setting. I guess the skin settings is going to be like customization. You updated the map things. All right. Did you send it? Okay. I don't see it on your thing over here.
Squiggly rings.
Squiggly rings. I also moved a little bit some of the cables to the background. Not only the carpets, but also the cables that we can go on, you know? But let me update this. You moved it also? I just don't see it, right? Wait, no. I do see it. It's on this layer. This cable specifically. And this cable to the VR headset. And this cable. I see you moved the steps in the kitchen, and around the cat food there was some little thingies, right? Uh, okay. Did you move the furniture exactly into the places that I moved it them? Because we already updated the... Yeah, okay, yeah. So then the geometry should be the same. Raynoid is right now teaching the bots to play the game, I think. So we should not move anything else and create some new things, basically. Also, I don't know if you were, if you checked the, oh wait, hold on. Where is all the things to draw? Did I not, like, write something in the, I was. Oh, you wrote that to yourself? Hold on. I was creating a list yesterday, in the end of the stream. Did it not get saved or something? I actually had a list here of all the, like, actually UI things. I did draw it, I remember. I'm not crazy, am I? So yeah, like for example, just right now I'm like creating this play button and creating the main menu, which is also going to be the settings menu. It's going to be customization. This is the name to the right. We have yeah, we have customization, we have volume, and on top of that we're going to have instructions, and play button. And on top of that, we are also going to have game title. Game title is probably also going to be drawn by you, right? But we need to decide what the title actually is, so right now it's going to be just text. So yeah, game title is just going to be to do actually name of the game. Then instructions is going to be something like this text that I read here, right? Boys. Anyway, self as self as instructions. That should be good now. All right. One second, and I will check. Boys. So what time did you start? I could have rated you. I started a little later because when you ended your stream, I was a little busy. Yeah. I avoided the raid from you one more time successfully. This is the front. This back. I got traded by somebody else, by some game developer who is studying game development. Sure. All right. Let me see. I actually wanted to start like, I don't know, 3 hours earlier while you were still like drawing stuff. I know. I was too lazy. Alright, what happened? I see nothing. I see nothing in my settings. Yep. Game title instructions. Something is wrong with one of those. So yeah, this is the UI like icons that I drew myself temporarily, right? Everything over here is the texture. Like this button is a texture. Like this is drawn using the font, obviously. This is the texture. The checkboxes are textures, two textures with the check on and off settings itself. The line and the knob on the slider and the volume icon. And then there is also supposed to be the play icon and the instructions. Boys. Why don't I see the boys? Display button. Button is this. Yeah. Something is wrong. So game title technically is the thing. Wait. Is game title going to work? No. It's strings that are not working. Okay, actually, how about we do both of the instructions and the game title also as a texture, right? Yes. Yes, that's the way. We're going to use rings to draw the text, because for some reason my text actually doesn't work. I'm too lazy to figure out. Game title. Widget. New. I mean, it's going to be looking better anyway if we do that, right? So, like in terms of the level, you just are going to do the texturing, the coloring, right? And that's it. The level is looking really good, by the way. Yeah. Can't wait for the entire game to be there. Why title? Okay, so this uh going to be the title. And this going to be the instructions. Yeah, whatever. It's my temporary stuff. I need to come up with the actual text though too. This title instructions. Double farts for Ring's computer? Wait, what? Why would you fart on somebody's computer? Well, I did see that Ring's computer froze during the stream. So I'm not the only one, right? Not the only one whose computer like freezes and I need to restart. Yeah. Was this the first time it happened? Because it's happening for me all the time, you know? Alright, it works. Isn't it wonderful? We have the play button, we have the instructions, and we have the title. It's also great. Magnificent, indeed. At least make them a little smaller. Maybe it's going to like fit on the screen then. Together with everything else. Alright. So this is what currently the UI is. We have the play button, the title, the instructions, the customization, together with the aiming, the volume controls, and the music checkbox. And I guess this button should be removed from there if we are inside the settings already. Settings button. I'm just going to not do it. Because we have the play button, right? Yeah. If play button was clicked. And we go out of settings. Okay. Do we want the game like to be pixelated in the background, or do we just want to draw something in the background instead? Because right now the game is actually being played in the background, and I'm doing the pixelation of the actual game. You can actually play this while you are in settings. I can drive my car around just like this. The game is background is in fun. Yeah, it's like extra challenge mode, like, you know, for those who are too good at the game. Like over here. Wait, where is Kuts? Oh, Kuts is in the streaming room. Shit. I didn't make it in time. Oh yeah, by the way, speaking about the cars, what do you think about the cars? Because yeah, we need to figure out, like, the arrow that we had before was not that good. This car, I think I like it more, especially like I like this car with the Pog emote. This one. See, I'm inside the car, pogging around. I think this is funny, right? The only problem about the car is that it is flat on the ground. But I mean, does it matter that it's flat, or we change it to something else than the car, but like some other object? I think it also fits the Ludwig lore. Does it? So you are now the professional in Ludwig lore, right? Right? You think it's good? Just flat? Alright. Okay, so just, then we could... Doesn't matter that it's flat? Alright, I think then what we do is we can provide more customization options for the players. It's not going to be only the emote that is actually driving the car, but also... Apparently has a race car bat. Yes, that is true. But we're not sleeping, we are racing around. Are we not? Right. Anyway, what I was talking about is that we can do the customization of, like, you can draw multiple cars, or we can change the color of the car pretty easily. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep the car as it is then, if you guys think that it's fine. Okay, we have some bots now. Nice. How many? Yesterday, like I said, I was playing for like 2 hours and the number of bots that I had was like 20 sometimes. I think we should get it to 24 seconds. I think changing the car color instead of car style. Yeah. I think it's better to have like more emotes. Like, how many emotes do you want to do? It was something like at least 5, right? So 5 like different heads, basically. And I can do just any color that you can. So this also means that inside the customization, I think we had 11. All right, yeah, that's going to be good. Okay, so basically this means that I think I will just add another slider over here underneath, which is going to change your color, and I'm going to draw the car here too then. Okay, let me draw the car really quick. I want to create a stack. Couple of things. We're going to have the player interaction and this, right? Yeah, so 11 emotes and like changing the color of the car. Okay, I need to like change how the car is actually looking there. How do I do this? How do I do this? Alright, I'm going to copy paste this because copy pasting is good. Correct? We like copy pasting. Car. Good. You need me to redraw the car? I don't even know what is the current car from. Is it something that Brainoid drew himself, or is it from the internet? If you draw your own version of the car, but that is like similar to this, then it would be nice, I guess. But I don't even think that. I mean, just make it more like your style. I think makes sense, right? We have this crab, for example. Let's take a look at the crab inside the car. Well, actually, the crab inside the car is not very good. How about, well, like, for the crab, then we remove the legs? I think we need to remove the legs. Because the emos are going to be just the heads, right? Without the body and without the legs. I think we remove the legs of the crabs too. If it's like the driver. Because, like I said, I really like how this emote looks. Here, right? We have just the head. I don't think it looks that bad, honestly. Yes, but I think just the head is going to be better, no? This we can try. Love the car. It is somewhere in the Discord over here, just like slightly above. This is the current version. You can improve on the texture a little bit if you want. You can try to really quick just erase the legs. You are not wrong. Are not wrong. Player Paris. See if this is better or not. Would you like this instead? I like it as is, not going to lie. All right. Well, yeah. Oh, okay. There is obviously a lot of other things that actually need to be redrawn, like the instructions, for example, over here. I mean, I like the way it is right now, but I think we can do a little more work on this one, right? And on the name and the play button. Okay, this is the new crab. I think this is better, no? Did you add it to the Figma? No, somebody deleted my to-do list from the Figma. I actually, like I said, in the ending of the yesterday stream, I wrote a big list of the icons. I'm pretty sure the crab without the legs is better inside the car. Who removed my list? Oh, I mean, let me check. All right, let's do a quick investigation of what happened here. Because if I go my yesterday stream, investigation. This is what happened in the end of the. Your list was just empty. Maybe it's a bug in Figma, because I see the list over here. Why is the preview not the same as... Okay, yeah, see? List of things to draw. I drew it over here. Yeah, I don't know. How did it disappear from Figma all of a sudden? I have no idea. That's not good. Maybe I should do it as a text file over here instead, because I rely my Git more than I can rely on Figma now, apparently. All right. You can revert. Well, Brainoid said that it is there in the version history, so the question is how did it like get deleted? Maybe because like you had your Figma open, but like in another tab, so it didn't get the update, but you already edited the list before my updates got in. So instead of having the updated, like it got like overwritten or something. I have no idea. A conflict happened. Something. Somehow. Hi? Hello, Arya? Shouldn't matter. It should update in real time. Yeah, I mean, it should, but it didn't, obviously. Alright. What was I working on? Okay, we need to customize the color of the uh of the car, and I was changing the UI. So there is the car widget. Car widget. I'm just going to have the color here. Color. Color. Unit. Translate. Position. Unit color. Texture. Color. And we translate. Before that, I need to scale uniform position with 2. Before doing that, we can also translate 0, -1. Before doing that, we can also rotate by like 60 degrees divided by 3 something, some random like stuff. Negatives, do negative. 60. After that, I'm going to also scale this. Wait, I have this scale somewhere. Player direction scale to 1.3. Okay, I'm going to hard code this. Hard code lol. 106. I think what I want here. Right. So now over here, instead of this being the texture widget, it's going to be car widget. The color is going to be self color. Do 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 do. Going to be just a hue here, actually. So hues, saturation value. It's going to be just like this. Alpha and into RGB or actual color. Wait, actually, Nerdful did something else. HSV color box color. Hello, hello. I have any auto completion, please? Color HSL. I think HSLA. Do this. HSLA. All right. Because this probably is going to be better. Just unwrap it some more. I'm unwrapping. I'm unwrapping all the time already. There's nothing to unwrap here, unfortunately, you know? Uh, Hold on. But before we do that, for the car, what we need is to split it into two textures then, right? If we want the color to be customizable, I need this color be on a different on a different layer and make this color black and white. Something like this. Car color. Right, and player direction, we rename it to car. Yet. Wait, brainoid. Player data. Do you want the bot data that you're currently working on to be saved? Okay, I mean, I can work around that. Because right now, like, the skin is also saved there. So if I'm going to change that, it's going to be unloadable. store it somewhere else. Where? Preferences, load, color, app for, RNG, generate 0 to 1. Value, alright, box data. Let me also remove that. Because we don't need that client anymore. Your direction is the car. Have the car color. Draw player. We're going to draw the car. And on top of the car, I'm going to draw car color. Colored using the player color. Brainoid, are you going to be very upset if I delete the current bot data? Are you here? Are you still playing the game? It's just a lot easier for me to just put the data there. I guess I can do the migration real quick, but I think there is not too much data there. Is there? Doo-doo, doo-doo. Or wait, time data player. Let me just, yeah, so that it is actually saved properly. Player snapshot. Okay, then it's not going to be needing changes. Snapshot. Yeah, we have like skin in the snapshot, which is actually like not supposed to be there. Only position, velocity, and rotation is what we save. Right? Yeah. Should be good now. Player. Mode player. Color, player, color. What is this? This is my own player. And what's this? What's this? When I have been respawned, Color is my color. So my car is gray. Why is it gray? It's not supposed to be gray. Car color. Huh? Hold on. Nerdsol did something weird with this L colors. Are they from 0 to 1 or not? I think they are. I mean, I can just use, yeah. Something is weird. Why is it? Why was it white? Okay, I'm going to use HSV like before then. Color B. Okay, I want to do the same stuff as here. It's going to be color, color, color. Right. Saved. Also, this means that in the UI, my car needs to have two textures. Color texture. Texture color. Texture. Do this 2 times. Texture, color texture, regular texture. It's not color. Bound. Car color. Okay, and then I just need to add a slider to the color. Yeah, right now it's the green. Okay. Nothing needs to happen here. It needs to be smaller. The actual player in the UI is twice as big as in the actual game for some reason. Right? Almost. Or is it not aligned properly? Not aligned properly. Do 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 do. Am I translating to my... Oh, I'm translating... No. Actually, no. Well, actually, yes. No. Wait. Well, technically, translate 05. Let's try this. If it works, it's fine. Alright, this is aligned properly, so we can now preview the car, right? We can change the actual, like, ad that we have here. And we can add a slider. Or wait. How exactly do you think the customization should be working? Maybe we have the maybe we have the character on the car, and we have like two buttons. We have the button to change the okay, character, car. We have a button to change the skin. The button to change the slider to change the color. Like this. Or should we have like buttons left and right too? And have this slider underneath the player. Which one is better? Which one is better? This and buttons left and right. I guess it doesn't matter much for me. But since I did this already here, I can do this. This is going to need a better texture. This is the icon that tells us that this slider changes the color. UI color. Station. We have this, and then we have this, which is texture widget, assets UI color, then slider. With a slider. It's not the slider that I want. How do I get the slider here? Volume settings. Custom slider is what we need. Custom slider. Roller. This. And then the slider. Value. Color. All right, we have the customization of the color. Do, 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 do. Player color. How about the remote players? Do I even update the color of remote players? Update. Server update. Of skin. Let's update skin. Of color is update color. Okay. Does it work? Okay, this slider is functional, but it is too long. Why is it so long? I don't understand. I did do the fix. You made it that way. I'm just going to copy paste a little more code and it's going to fix it. Also the text, like the name actually should be on the right or at the top. At the top maybe? Of the skin. Because in game we show the name above the player. Is there so much space though? So much space though. Just because I added padding on this. I don't need to. Why? Because there's so much space between. Because technically. It's technically understandable. Now it all does not fit on the screen. Weird. Let's move the color and the thing into the same row. This is going to be after that. Alright. Is it better if the color is on the right? For here we have like the actual buttons to change the skin. I think the problem is like this current skin. How about I remove the padding from it? Then what? Okay. It's more compact now. It's more compact now. This name, I want it to be centered, obviously. I want some space between this button and the hue. Which means that for the hue, I'm going to also add padding left. Works as people wouldn't know if it wasn't. Okay, does the UI look good now? Play button and this thing. Let me move the thing. Okay, I also need to like improve maybe the text. Yes, this one. We need to center and then we need to fix size. Is the text constraints? Can I just center it? I'm always like I need to figure out my actual like input system better. Okay, this is centered now. Right. So what I want to do here is that if self name is empty, and I want to do something like type your name. Just type your name by pressing button, pressing keys. Right. Because like you don't really click on this thing. So maybe this is going to be more obvious. You actually need to type your name like this. Alright. So if I remove my name, then it's going to tell me type your name by pressing keys. So I'm starting to press keys. I have my name, right? Is it like better now than it was before? A little bit, right? Would be even more better, but right. Now what? Green car. No, pink car. I like pink car and fogging. If I'm going to reload, this should be saved. I should be saving my pink car, but I did not save my skin. Why was my skin not saved? Skin. Oh, yet saving the skin only on the previous button, on the next button. All right, copy paste done. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try downloading the bot data that Renoid did. Renoid didn't do a lot of bot data. It's only like half a megabyte. I did yesterday like 6 megabytes. Let's see If we actually see some bots. I don't see any bot. Now I see. There is a little bit. Okay, I'm guessing also since we are doing the cars, we need to show actually the cars of other players, right? So draw player. Draw player. We draw the car always, not only if we are being ourselves. Only for ourselves, but for everyone. Remove this. Now I'm realizing it does look like you are running over goods. Maybe you can change the goods icon. Can we make goods like some kind of god that it's like floating in the air? And the icon is more like a paw print. Playing with the player. And I'm not really following. You have a rough idea, you can sketch it, I guess. Am I going to just see for those bots the car of them? Every single bot is just right now being the crab, by the way. Yeah, every single bot is the crab. Also, I'm not interpolating the rotation because I didn't need to draw the cars before. But we do see the cars now. I guess those cars also should be a little transparent, right? Just like things. Um, I want to voice my concerns about something. Okay? What is this something? Its location in chest room and kitchen are too close to each other. Either we need to change the location of one or else some sort of X indicator that shows the distance. By the way, yeah, I played myself a bunch and I do know that they are very close to each other. Doesn't it make like it funny when you try to like go over there that you're trying to go a different location, or is it like annoying because of that, because you guess incorrectly? I thought it could be like a funny thing instead. Because I mean, technically you can tell. Technically you can tell. Then 20 seconds is not enough. I know. I think it has been enough for me pretty much all the time. Unless I try to fit over there. Where are the skid marks from the race car tires? Oh shit, now we need like... Now we need the actual like... marks from tires? Nah, I'm not doing that. Actually, we added the particles, but they're... I made it so like invisible. You don't even see them, but there is particles from drifting. Yeah, it's little electric cars. It's not an actual car, you know? There's no particles from, like, of exhaust. You do see them? Alright. It's, like, really hard to see them, though. No particles, though, yeah. No particles. There is a poster of the party game, though. Did you see this? Rinks did it today. We have the... over here on the top left, you see this? Pogo stop jumping and getting farted on. Poster is there. Right. If you pick one wrong as a beginner, you won't be able to get to the actual location. Okay. You want me to increase the time? By the way, you didn't have many bots, but I was playing with a bunch of bots, and I think doing this 30% elimination is like not enough. We actually need 50% elimination, I'm pretty sure. Elimination ratio should be at least 50%, I think. And also, yeah. But then we can increase the time a little bit if you want. You want 25 seconds or you want 30 seconds? We can try 30 seconds. Or is it too much then? 24? 24 it is. Okay. I push the updates. They should be there soon. Okay. Do we consider the main menu done? Explosive fart. There's something wrong with the map walls, or are you just lazy? What? What does that mean? What is wrong with the map walls? This is the old texture. I don't think you sent me the new texture of the walls, did you? Yeah, we're still using the old one. Somewhere. I did not update to this one. This one? You want me to use this one? Oh, because the walls are on the floor right now, I think. This is the floor, right? Save image. Access. Floor. Image. Not that one? Wait, what? Which one? This? Why is it two textures? I don't understand this. What is this? Why is it two textures? Um, but this is the same, anyway. I don't think we need it, do we? Do we need it? I'm not sure if it's like split properly anyway. We need to like technically walls are obstacles, so they should like be on the like the same layer as these objects. So these objects also need to be split. I think we do it like on the same texture. Let me just do this one for now. Because we are going to split the like once you draw the entire level and color it, we're going to split it too. But I guess walls we can do walls. We will need to split. I mean, it was at that time where we only had the walls, I think. Yes. Don't worry about it too much. We can figure that out later. It's because we moved the player like higher than the thing. Yeah. I think it's either me or Brainoid who are going to actually do the splitting. So, like I said, we can do it programmatically, or we can do it manually, depending. Discuss a little what you guys use the new walls yet. Wait, in terms of furniture, does the furniture go on top of the walls? Or do you draw it like behind the walls? How does it work exactly? Sometimes they do go behind. Yeah, that is why I think it's more we should maybe rings should give us like so there's like two layers for I mean put the walls and the furniture on the same image basically. So but not the things that go on the ground. Like the vertical things that have some verticality, they should go on one layer. So it's like walls and the furniture, right? And then we split that texture to work with the player. Oh. Right? So this is the new walls. Yeah, like over here, see? This wall, like how do I figure out that this wall needs to go on top of this and not behind? This is probably easier for rings to do, correct? So yeah. Just have this on the layer with the furniture, because it's no different from the furniture. The walls for us. Am I fused with the walls? Yeah. Yes. So basically, it's the obstacles. So we have a separate texture for the obstacles. Walls or objects that are like not on the ground, like the carpet. The carpet should not go there, but everything that we collide with, including walls and other things, should be like on this layer. Not qualifying you again? Well, I just pushed the update. It means that you have been disconnected from the server. Reload the page. It means that there is a new update. I'm going to be able to configure your car. And also, since I am drawing the rotation of the other player's cars, I need to do some interpolation for that, because it's a little jumpy, the rotation. There's Brain. Brain is also using a pink car. Oh, there's a lot of bots. That's all you have been training? Nice. Do you think it's a little too hard for the current card to see where the front is and where is the back? Like when you spawn, you need to take a little bit to figure out where the front and where is the back of the car. And it's fine mostly. Okay. Oh no, Brainoid got disqualified. Now me. Brainoid replay, and I won the game. GG. Game is easy. Alright, what do we do? Well, it should be 24 seconds now, by the way, right? You did push the 24 seconds? I think I did. What else? What else? Currently you are spawning when you're just in the menu. Is this good or is this bad? Should we change it so that you don't get spawned until you press play, actually? Do-do-do-do-do. Or is it fine? A little weird, but it means that sometimes when you hit play, you can actually start moving immediately. It's need to do a command for that so that it links the game. If you want to play the game and give your feedback so that we can improve something, the current link is here. It's not public yet, but I can give you a secret URL like this. What should we do now? So the winner, probably. Alright. I think I also want to change, in terms of that, the, it should, like, say, round 1, round 2, round 3, for example. And we show the winner. And then what also happens when the new game is about to start? Did it say new game or new round? This was new round. But yeah, sometimes the text like disappears too quickly, I feel. I think. Qualified. New game. Oh, it just always says new game. But it is not a new game. It says a round. It is a round. New game. Go to puts now. When I have been respawned. If we were spectating, then it's new game. And otherwise it's going to be new round. 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 Yes. Actually, I think we will round 0, and it's going to be a warm-up round because like the way it works right now, because we don't have enough bot data on the first round, everybody gets and nobody's getting eliminated, and I think it's a good thing. So it's basically the first warm-up round. So all you have to do is just get to the end. I think that's good, right? Warm up. Go now. Update the map. I don't think anything is like changed on this one anyway. It's still the same. Very small change with the small floor stuff, alright. It will be noticeable if you don't change it. Okay. I mean, technically, when we have been respawned for the first time, I don't even want anything. We have been respawned. I don't want to do the text. It's going to say warm up round anyway, because the round has begun. And then we will also tell who is the winner properly. Do you think okay, Rings, what do you think about the winning screen? Should there be some graphics, special graphics, or do I just say like this is the winner? How should we go about this? Yeah, this is good. So like, oh, obviously right now this is happening. We go into the texture, but this is going to be fixed. Call in confetti. Inner is good. Goods for I'm just watching bots play now. Wait, what? Only one of them should have been qualified, but they they went to the end at the same time, I think, is what happened there. Wait, what did it say right now? Shit. Feel like for the warm-up round at least. For the warm-up round at least, I want this tech to be set warm-up. I want this text like in the very beginning to be shown for a longer time. For some reason I just have troubles. Like have it for 3 seconds instead of a 1 second. Should it be like every text? Should be there for longer. I don't know. I think we should have a kuts popping up on the side go to my mark or something. Warm up round, go to kuts now. I mean, especially with the bots being there, you're going to understand where to go, right? Then the mark on the floor is a 4 rather than kuts face. Why don't I just draw fruits floating in the air instead of being on the ground, you know? Why don't I do that? That was what was I meant. Like we have this. Then we have this. And like there is some particles here, you know, going down maybe. So like floating around like a god top. Because I already have particles, I can just spawn them here, I guess. But also, it's going to look like Kuts is ghost, which is this going to like even just a circle on the ground like a shadow? Yeah. I mean, I can make the Kuts head go up and down a little bit at the very least, so it's more obvious that it's floating. Particles and a shadow on the ground. Probably be good. Isn't there? But do you think it's going to be a problem? Like because you thought it's like running Kuts over. This is now Kuts ghost. So like Kuts is dead. No. Hopefully not. What if you don't run over? If you don't run over the face to start with, you don't feel like that. All right. Okay. Let me do it. Okay, we have warm up round and stuff. Proper. Also, those icons on the top right. I need to replace some of the text with the icons that I have prepared, and declaring the winner. Declaring the winner. So what are we thinking about the winner again? We confetti. I'm too lazy for doing confetti. But how about we allow the player to run around the map a little more, you know? How about that? So like the winner like can just run around, and we just zoom the camera on the winner and just show the text, "You are the winner," and that's it. You know, so everybody like follows the winner with their camera for a little bit after everything is over. Put a crown over their head. It's going to be weird with a crown and with some emotes, I think. But just telling that you are the winner is probably fine, I think. Let me see. First of all, I don't like that my boss. I just remove one of them. Put a winner is you. I wanted something like you are Koot's best bud or something. Congratulations, you are Koot's favorite play pal. Yeah, something like that. Do 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 do. New session. So new session. Don't be here. Okay. New session timer. This new session about to begin. Don't really need to like do that though. We're ending the round. All right. Let's do this. Winner is equal to players next good. So it's an optional ID. We do over here. Say if and ID is equal to winner. Then I'm just going to respawn the player, right? You have been respawned. I mean, you are winner. I don't even think we respawn. We just don't eliminate you. I think you are the last one. You are winner. Otherwise, winner. I can make a winner graphic in Super Smash Brothers Melee style. Okay, I don't know how that looks like, but sure. And you can just make it floating on the screen while we follow the winner like you said. Yeah. Oh. Wait, I have already winner? There's already a winner message. Did I use it? No, I actually did not use it before. Uh, we remove this. Now we need to figure out what to do when you are the winner or when this is the winner. Like it's technically it's just like the text, right? That I already have, like warm up round, go to goods. I just go in for now to do the text. We can replace this. Although yeah, technically I'm showing the round number here too. No. We can do this. Yes, we can do this. Okay, self inner is inner me. Do more. Winner option. Optional. Mhm. So we say that you have been qualified, right? And you are the only one who has been qualified. You are the when we're ending the round, You're the only one left. So we declare you to be the winner. And then we start a session, a timer to the new session. And we start a new session after the new session time. So currently we show the winner basically for 3 seconds. Should it be more than 3 seconds? Should it be like 10 seconds? Be like 10 seconds. 7 seconds? Put the coveted first text over the round winner when you get to goods. What is coveted? When you get to goods. Of so like every round, yeah. Brainoid also precious. Brainoid told that we should on every round tell you like what was your placement on this specific round. Like YouTube first comment. But we can also do not only first, but like number 1, number 2, number 3. So right now we only say that you have been qualified, but we can add to that, like you have been qualified as being first, or you have been like qualified as number 2nd, maybe. Or wait, are you saying that on the next round we're going to like see the player who was the best one on the previous round highlighted? So this is like your like opponent actually, because they won the previous round. They are probably good. That's an interesting idea. Should you just show the first text to the one who got there first while the round is playing out? But the one who got there first is already like not on the screen. And once you go to the destination, you like disappear until the next round. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Main game. There. This. Text is. You have won. You have won. This is the winner. Nobody. So sometimes it can happen. So if nobody gets to the end by the end of the time, then it's like nobody has won. You know, this is also an option in the game. Right, charge it. Puts his edge, yes. It's the meme cat emote. So yeah, Sedge is usually the frog, right? They're a Sedge, but that's a cat. Yeah. Let's go over here. Sedge cooks. When no one wins. Maybe. Maybe. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. If a let winner some winner other ID quote self winner, then this one. Yes. But the ears should be like down, like boots, right? Put this into Figma. Other I spectating is true. Been eliminated. Yep. Yes. What was I doing? What was I doing? Camera FOV. Charged FOV. If we are not spectating, or um otherwise other winner it's like this. This is good. Uh this might be good enough. Let's see if it works. And if there's any bugs. Warm-up round. Go to goods. On the warm-up, I want on purpose to not eliminate anyone. Round. Go to goods now. I have won, but I have been... Right. I have won, but... Why could I not move? Game. There is none. I have been qualified. Oh, it's because I have been qualified. Obviously. So when I am the winner, I want... basically respawn myself. Score? We don't even need score. Why do we still have score? Basement 2. I don't need that. Do I? My place. I don't want a place. Yeah, I'm just going to respawn you on the player. So end round. Winner here. So round 2. So you are the winner, and we also do client sender send server message. Respawn the player. The position is level locations count track 2. Correct? I think this is it. Round 1. Go to groups. So it was the first round, the warm-up, now it's the actual round 1. Qualified, waiting for the other run. Round 2. Now it's when I'm going to be the winner. What if the winner is the bot? This is the winner, yes, because the bot is not going to respawn themselves. Yeah, but if I am the winner, it's going to be fine. It's not going to really work really well with bots, though. In order for the bots to work, I need... to say that if bot IDs contains key and if we have it here, then and here update player. Okay. The player. Going to just be the bot. Position is this? They should fix it for the bot. The bot's always crabs. This is fine. Let's see. First of all, I will win myself. I mean, these two spawns are next to each other too, Brainoid. The one at the toilet and this one, they're like literally next to each other. Same as the chest room and the kitchen. I have one. Now I can move around. And then a new game starts. Round one. No, don't dare. Ah, wait. I actually want the bot to win. Yeah, see? This is the winner. When we declare the winner, I guess the... what is the cat supposed to do? We draw the cat around the player too. Okay. Declaring winner. Okay. Coots is drawn there. I want instead to draw Coots over everything. Over here. Clear radius. Alright. Plus 0 times sine by 0. I'm going to hard code the numbers here. Because why not? And then also draw the little shadow. Without this, the shadow is just going to be black parent. And then we can see what this looks like. And maybe we need to add some particles underneath Coots. Right? You see? I guess I can make Coots be even higher up in the air. Yes. Like floating like this. We can do the floating faster. Times as fast, make him higher in the sky. And before the players, after the floor, and back for the players, we drew out. Third. Make the shadow a little more obvious. 3. Also, soundtrack 2. Scatolocations. It's a winner. Position. Position is match. So here's right. Copy paste this. Copy paste over here. So now, when we declare the winner, Coots is basically going to be hanging on top of the player, because they're the best buddies now. Is this too high in the sky? Is this too high in the sky? But I mean, we are underneath Coots. Coots is floating in the air. We're not running Coots over anymore. Right? You don't think so? You think this is fine? Any changes you want me to do to this? Yep. Right. What changes? Do you want the head? Maybe we draw... I think Kut's head should be bigger. It's a little too small right now. This is the winner. Yep, no changes. Wait. I kind of want to make the Kut's head a little bigger though. The only change that I would make. I don't even think we need the particles. Particles are not needed. Might change the to be the full body. Yeah. Okay. But when it's but when it puts it outside the screen though, we show this bubble and the head still without the body. So it's still useful, the icon, right? My god, these bots are too good. Who did that? I think this was Brainoid. These bots are really good. But I'm going to be the winner now because no bots for this, apparently. Okay, see? I have one and Kutz is just like on top of me for a second. Should probably be like forever. Nah. Go around. Bigger head, bigger head. I do this twice as big. The head. The shadow is going to be still the same, pretty small. It usually works the other way around, right? The shadow is usually bigger than the actual object. Is this good? I think this is fine. I mean, it is really big now. Look at this. You like this? I have one. I think I like it. Now it's now that it's this big, we don't even need the body, do we? I don't think we need the body then. It's this big. Five had food. Right? Okay. Okay. I need to go eat soon. Do we want to do something more? Is Brainoid here? Want me to do something else? For the game? Or is it just the graphics that is left? And then I can work on like more testing. What do you think, Rinks, if you are here? What needs to be changed in the game? What do you guys think? This is going to be changed. So this is like graphics stuff. You want me to do a list for you, Rings? That you know. Oh, wait. If I press M, because my name has M in it, I'm going to mute the music. M. If we are not in settings. Aside from my work, I can't really think of anything. Might want to fix that. Alright. I fixed that already. Oh, the profanity filter. Hold on. Proper beginning, proper ending. I mean, the ending is okay now. Do we need something changed about the beginning? Yeah, I just want to do the profanity filter on the server side. I will do that. And also try to make sure that the server doesn't crash, and include your graphics, right? That's it. And we have what? We have 2 days left. 2 days and 9 hours. But I mean, working on the stability on the server is pretty important. So working on that for 2 days is fine, I think, right? And if we have some other ideas that you want me to do on the game, if you have any idea, then it's a good time to tell. Like today, tomorrow. We don't want anything new to be like. We don't want to need to do anything new on the last day and to introduce new bugs, right? Optimization. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be working on is optimization, stability, security, and including your graphics. Also, like we need to make the each page look nice, I guess. This goes on to the last day too, I guess. The each page, this look nice. I already know that we can do edit the theme and make the font, select Google font. How, what was it called again? Font Pangolin. So this is Google Fonts. Pangolin. No, not preview, just select. See, now our game is going to use this font. For everything. How can I change the font of the run game button? Can I even do that? I should make it from this point that on that all games I work on use Pangolin. Yeah. And not sure how to change the button here. Use a different font. Anyway. Anyway.
Ring a bell because I've been doing it for 3 months. I've been doing that exact. Boys! Oh my god, my. What the.
Boys, the plan is simple. We end the stream for today because I can't think of anything I want to work on for right now, and then tomorrow and the next day we just finish um the game by working on some security and stability. I might even be working on that off stream so that there is a little chance of a hacker trying to hack the game, watching the stream, figuring out what I did, so that they know how to overcome my security. Game doesn't get hacked. Anyway, might also ask Betcop. Betcop said that maybe he will not be working on that. Initially, it was the plan that Betcop was, not me. But it looks like we have the time, so which do, 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 do. And once again, if you guys want, because this has been, wait, this has not been built yet. What? 7 minutes? Why is this so long? Guess something was updated. Started to be long. Done. Why is this so long? I'm redoing everything from scratch. Or is it not everything? Not everything. Cache up to date? What do you mean up to date? Does this mean that the cache was not updated? That's why it's taking longer. It's weird. Anyway. Oh, is each not working now? Secret URL. If you guys want to check out the game, the link is here. We're going to work on it more next 2 days. Just tiny little finishing details. I guess let's raid Duck W because they are working on their game for Ludwig Jam. Look at their art. The art is really good here. I don't even know what the game is about. Seen this on Discord. But the pixel art in this game is good. But yeah, this is it for me for today. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
What if people love being in the game? I will. Right? That's kind of nice, right? I think so. Kuviman, thank you for the raid. Hope your game's going good.